Facing the no network connection error on TikTok for Android, it's easy to fix. This problem can happen because of app glitches or restrictions. In this video, I'll walk you through simple troubleshooting steps to resolve it. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Enable two developer options. First, open the settings on your phone. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap About Phone. Then tap on Software Information. In here, you have to tap on your build number a few times. After you tap for about 7 to 8 times, developer options will be turned on. You may need to enter your phone password to confirm this. After that, close Settings and open the Settings app again. Scroll down to the bottom. This time, you will find developer options in the bottom. Tap on developer options, then scroll down and find out Wi-Fi scan throttling and toggle it on. Then scroll down again and toggle mobile data always active to the on position. After that, see if that fixed your issue or not. Solution 2. Clear TikTok cache and data. Go to your app gallery or home screen. Tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on Clear Cache. And then tap Clear Data. Tap on Delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your problem should be fixed. Now clearing the app data can sometimes remove app permissions, so you should go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. In here, make sure to give your TikTok app all the permissions. Permissions are needed for your app to function properly. After you're done with it, check your issue. Hopefully with these steps, your issue will be fixed. So guys, if this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more helpful solutions just like this. Your support means a lot, and I truly appreciate you watching. Thanks again.